Hi everyone, this is Karen from My Vegan Venue. Today we are featuring our simple penny pitching instant pot recipe for split pea and mixed bean soup. It can be a little challenging for vegans to get enough protein in their diets. This recipe will help since both the split peas and mixed beans are great protein sources. As a bonus, they are also very economical, especially when purchased from the bulk section in the grocery store. The recipe will work for a 3-quart or larger Instant Pot and calls for 1 cup of split green peas, 1 cup of dry mixed beans, such as an 8-bean, 15-bean, or even more bean mix, 1 teaspoon of salt for seasoning, and 6 cups of water. To prep and cook the soup, rinse the split peas and beans with cool water through a sieve or colander until the water runs clear. Add all ingredients to the Instant Pot container and stir to combine. Cover the pot with the lid, ensuring the steam release handle is in the sealing position. Set to the beans chili setting, or you can also set it to high pressure for 40 minutes. Allow the soup to cook and let the pressure release naturally. When the valve has moved to the down position, remove the lid. This will take about 60 to 70 minutes. Serve the soup while hot, seasoning with black or white pepper if desired. This soup goes really well with vegan sandwiches, such as vegan bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwiches. We hope you enjoy this recipe from our Sensational Soups collection. Remember that each individual can save the lives of over 100 animals a year by going vegan and staying vegan. Please visit us at www.myveganvenue.com for more recipes, including other high-protein recipes. Thank you, and have a nice day.